Welcome to Agent Ignite. Today we're diving into the crucial topic of lead generation.
This module will equip you with the strategies and tools to attract qualified leads and grow your business so you can sell more homes.
We'll start by discussing the importance of building a strong online presence and utilizing social media platforms to your advantage.
Next, we'll cover effective networking techniques and how to build relationships within your community.
We'll also explore lead generation tools and software such as CRMs and various email marketing platforms.
And of course, we'll provide guidance on converting leads into clients through effective communication and follow-up.
Ready to generate more leads and close more deals? Join Agent Ignite today at techforre.com. See you there.
Thank you.